Hi everyone, this is Amit Mulani. Right now we are at Bangalore at IHS तृतीया 2024 और मेरे साथ है मिस्टर शिबू एजी फ्रॉम द कंपनी आदित्य सिस्टम और लाडा ये जो इनकी ब्रांड है. हाय सर, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, good. How about you?
आई एम टू गुड सर, आई एम टू गुड.
Great.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि इनकी जो कंपनी है वो गोल्ड प्योरिटी एनालाइज़र मशीन्स बनाते हैं. उसके साथ साथ ये सॉर्टिंग मशीन्स भी बनाते हैं, नॉट सॉर्टिंग मशीन्स जो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है.
Induction
करेंसी
welding.
काउंटिंग मशीन भी है और पेपर श्रेडर्स भी हैं. तो बहुत सारी अलग अलग वैरायटी ऑफ
Yeah,
प्रोडक्ट्स ये तैयार करते हैं. सर सबसे पहले मुझे बताइए आदित्य सिस्टम ये एस्टैब्लिश कब हुआ?
2003.
2003.
Yeah, around
And,
20
ये
years plus.
कहाँ की कंपनी है बेसिकली?
A Bangalore-based company.
बैंगलोर बेस्ड कंपनी.
Yes, yes.
सर कैन यू गिव मी द डिटेल्स अबाउट योर प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरीज?
It's the for the jewelry industry. We have a main product line like in a gold purity analyzer,
ओके
and then for the manufacturers we have a SI pin models,
Okay.
SI pin as well as FS3D. Then we have a laser marker. Then we have an induction melting machine.
ओके.
Then for the currency counting machine, currency sorting machine. These are the
ऑल आवर ओन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग.
own assembled product. You can
ओके,
say.
ओन असेंबल प्रोडक्ट.
Yeah.
And can we check some demo for this?
Sure.
This is the gold
Purity
testing
analyzer.
machine, purity
gold,
analyzer.
yeah, gold testing
Okay.
machine. Okay. This is simple like in an industrial grade computer we provided over here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, touch screen machine and simple and user friendly.
Okay.
You can keep the gold. It takes about 30 seconds to get the result.
Okay.
Okay. So now the process is going on.
Okay.
So the current is getting adjusted. So it takes about the peak is getting developed. 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, you will get the result.
Okay, within 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So you just have to put the your
Sample.
ornament sample inside it.
Yeah, correct.
And then it will be automatically processed. All
Yeah,
those,
everything
all those
will be
things, huh?
automatically processed.
Okay, sir. What are these? All the parameters? These are all the different kind of the
Yeah, elements.
elements.
Elements. This AG means for like in silver,
Okay.
AU gold, platinum, palladium, rhodium, Cu copper, cadmium. All these metal can be elements can be detected.
Okay,
over
now we got the result. It is 22.5 carat, 0.5
yeah,
carat.
yeah. It is 916 purely. It is a 22 karat gold, and you can add
Wow,
the
it's too good.
yeah. It is you can
Even
add
rate
it
is
today.
given?
Yeah, rate. Today's
Okay.
rate, gold rate, and it will calculate the value.
So we have to add the gold rate. Here
Today's
inside?
gold rate.
Okay.
Then
So it will be calculated in that way.
Yeah, that way.
With the purity.
Yes,
automatically.
yes.
Oh, this is a beautiful machine.
Yeah.
Like
Thank you.
any jeweler can use
Yes,
it.
yes. Any jeweler can use.
Can I open this?
Yeah, sure.
So from here you have to put your
Yeah,
gold.
sample. Yeah, this is a testing chamber. So you have to put the sample over here.
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Just put the sample inside and then
Yeah.
you just
Yeah,
close it.
close it.
And it will
Test.
do
Yeah.
the automatic process.
automatic process.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, another machines you told something about that. क्या है वो machine?
This is actually mainly for that again for the jewelry manufacturers and like in wholesale or testing centers.
Okay.
This is for like it's an additional technology called silicon pin technology, which can precisely test the gold.
Okay.
Okay.
Precisely.
Precisely. So it
okay.
means like the variation can be maybe about 0.1%.
Oh,
Yeah.
that much less.
Yeah.
Okay, and there is any result come out because I'm not seeing computer screen over here. So.
Yeah, it is connected with
Okay,
you
okay,
need to
so
connect
you
it
can
with
check
you
here
need to
only.
connect it with the system. Again, like in the same way. So you have to just place the sample over here.
Okay.
Okay. So you can just check the screen here.
Perfect. There is a camera.
That is the camera. Just play the button. It will ask some certain questions like start. Then you can just confirm it.
Okay.
So again,
And
30
it is
seconds
processing.
processing. It takes about 30
So
seconds.
what kind of the technology inside which is identifying that what is
It's
the priority?
X-ray technology.
X-ray.
X-ray
It
fluorescent
is
technology.
XRF,
Yeah, X-ray fluorescent.
X-ray fluorescence.
Fluorescent technology.
Okay, so it will identify that what is the purity of the product.
Yeah,
inside.
product. Yeah, right.
Wow, that's great. Other than that, that is you said laser machine.
Laser machines.
It is to kind of machine where we can
Yeah. This
detailing on the ornaments.
yeah, it can like in a brand it like in your ornaments you can brand it like this like.
Okay,
you can,
perfect.
Yeah.
So if I want to put anything
Yeah.
as a brand,
Yeah,
then
you
I can do it
yeah,
from
correct. Yeah,
with this
correct.
machine.
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
So,
और इसमें कुछ भी कर सकते हैं ना?
कुछ
मतलब
भी yeah
लिखना
कुछ भी कर सकते हैं like whatever
Okay.
brand you wanted to do it that way.
Wow, that's great. And it is by laser only.
Yeah, by laser.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. So we are on manufacturing these machines on.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. And this is again, I
Again,
think, same
purity,
machine, no?
purity analyzer.
Purity analyzer.
This is the induction melting machine.
Okay.
Again, to melt the gold or
Oh, yes,
precious
yes.
elements.
Okay. So, I think it is working on very higher
Yeah.
amount of
Current.
heat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Got
For that, like, and we provided to avoid the heat, we provided the chiller also.
Okay.
So water chiller, so that water recycling will happen. So that it will be very cool.
it. Yes. Got
So
it.
the
So
body
from
will be-
outside it will
Yeah.
remain cool.
Yeah.
And these are the regular machines.
The regular machine,
To
currency
calculate the
currency
currency.
counting machines and all. Okay. And this is the currency sorting machine. You can separate the currencies
Okay.
different denominations wise. You can sort the currencies like 500, 200, and you can separate it.
Let's separate the knots.
Then separate the notes.
Okay.
Plus we can separate the issuable and non-issuable currencies.
Okay, got it. So, sir, I can say that very good range of the products you have.
Yeah, thank you.
And definitely, I want to ask you that कि हम लोग कितने टाइम से IHS में participate कर रहे हैं?
IAGs, this is my first experience, first year.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Other than that, you directly do the marketing to the
No,
customers?
through other exhibition modes, but the IAGs is the first.
So how's the experience, sir?
Very nice experience. Good.
Because it is we can say world's largest.
Yeah,
no?
correct.
So India's
Yeah,
largest
correct.
one. So you will find out all the customers over at the one platform. only.
Correct.
Definitely.
Thank
If you want to say something about your what kind of the facilities you can provide them regarding to this category, वैसे तो हमने सब कुछ देख लिया है,
Okay,
but
okay.
फिर भी.
Okay, so we provide Lada brand gold purity analyzers and markers, and this is one of the fastest moving a model. This one then fast selling model, and very user friendly and easy to use. Just plug and play machine. That's it.
And sir, what is the error percentage?
This basic model it is 0.3%,
Okay,
plus or minus 0.3.
plus or minus
0.3.
0.3.
Yeah.
It's a plus or minus 0.3 variation you will
Variation.
find out in the quality. So it
Yeah,
is, I
quality.
think, nothing.
Yeah,
We can
correct.
say we
It
can
is.
neglect it.
Yeah, correct.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for a detailed interview.
Thank you.
There are several products you are developing already,
Yeah.
and आने वाले time में और भी products आप develop करें शुभकामनाएं.
Sure.
और
Thank
but
you.
obvious worldwide market is also too big, so you
Yeah,
can cater the world market also.
Thank you.
Thank you so much once
Thank-
again,
thank-
sir.
thank-
Have a great
thank you,
luck.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Amit Milani and team, India's best export import business trainers.